We're going to review this beautiful Armor All tire shine on this beautiful Tesla Model 3 Plaid. Check out how unmoist the tires are. We're gonna change that up. The tires have been cleaned, they've been dried, and I think that's all the instructions we need to do. We need to shake gently and hold the bottle 10 to 15 centimeters away and then spray. We'll see you guys on the next clip. Go ahead with the spraying. He's gonna do a test spray.
That was a weird test spray. It's not very
Hold it upright, hold it upright.
Yeah, I know, but how does that work? Do I rub it on?
No, just spray it. It doesn't say rub it on or anything.
But look at how it sprays.
Yeah, that's fine. Just spray it all over. Give it... Be a little bit more liberal. You need to cover the entire thing.
Do I?
Oh, the shine's already coming through. Wow. Wow, that is crazy.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, girl.
So, in order to spray properly, you need to get full deflection on this. So, come over here, look at the other tire. You see all this white marks and all that stuff? That's because he sprayed it and he didn't do full deflection. He went like some flaccid shit like this. Now, let's go here. This is how you gotta do it. Quick sprays like you're plastic dipping something. See, look at that difference. Look at how it's just forming up nicely. And if your right hand gets tired, switch to your left hand. Good. Final tire. I'm very interested to see how well this will work. All right. Now we just leave it on for 15 minutes. Here is the tire 15 minutes later. Beautiful moistness.
It's like been like
5 minutes, sorry. About 10 minutes actually.
maybe 8.
Beautifully moist. Beautifully moist. So a couple hours later and after a wipe off with a microfiber,
A light wipe.
a very light wipe, they have retained their moistness, and you could tell the difference between the moistness of the tire and the unmoistened part. Let's show you in the light. Yeah, really good product. 5 out of 5.